Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by prepping the car and camera so nothing delays the install. First, make sure the camera is 12V and you have power, ground, and RCA leads. That prevents mismatched voltage later. Once done, park, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery to avoid shorts. Next, find the reverse light harness in the trunk or tail lamp and use a multimeter to identify the 12V reverse wire so you know where to tap. You now run the cable and make the electrical connections with care. Start by routing the RCA video and power cable from the bumper through the trunk grommet into the cabin, keeping it away from heat and sharp edges to prevent future shorts. Then, splice the camera's red lead to the reverse 12V you identified. Attach the black to a clean chassis ground or the negative battery terminal to ensure stable return current. Finally, you finish by testing and securing the installation so the system is reliable. Reconnect the battery and shift into reverse. The monitor should display the camera image. If the picture appears, adjust camera angle for a clear horizon and secure the camera housing, sealing gaps with silicone to keep moisture out. Once mounted, trim and tuck wires. If you see no image, check for 12V on the reverse wire, test RCA continuity, and confirm a solid ground. These 3 fixes solve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.